So today I'm going to do a fascinating self-made card trick. So let's get started. Take out 27 cards from this deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now, from this 27 cards, I'm going to take out 7 cards and put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, I will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will put the remaining cards over here. Now, I'll ask my spectator to choose any card from this pile. It's a free choice. I promise I'm not missing the card. Now put it over here. Now we'll shuffle this pile. Now put that pile on this pile. Now I'm going to place this pile on this pile. Now I will shuffle this pile. I'm going to shuffle this deck. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, now I'm done shuffling. Now I will split this deck into 4 random piles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Now turn by 10, I will show you these piles, and you have to say in your heart that when you see your card, you have to say in your heart. This step is very important. Just say in your heart. Now, I'll place this pile on that pile, this on this, and this on this. Now again, I will split this deck into 2 piles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Now again, say in your heart if you are seeing your card. This step is very, very important. Okay? Now I will do this step again. Are you seeing your card here? Just in your heart. Again, say in your heart. Okay? Now, I will take this pile and split it into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, again say in your heart. This step is very, very important. Now select one pile. This or this one? This one. Okay, now I'm going to throw this. One face down, one face up. One face down, one face up. One face down, one face up. Face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. Now I'm going to take the face up cards and throw the face down card. Again, left, right, left. I'm going to take these 2 cards and throw this one, which is your card.
Enjoy the trick, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So I'm going to reveal the card trick. For this you would be needing a normal deck of card, and you are going to take out 27 cards from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And the rest of the cards we are going to place that aside. And we are going to do our trick from these 27 random cards. And now I'm going to just shuffle them. And I'm going to place 7 cards here, 7 cards here, and the rest cards, which are going to be 13, I'm going to place them here. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. And these are going to be 13, which I'm going to place here. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to place the 13 cards over here. And the main motive here would be that we have to see the last card from any of these piles. So let's just take this pile, and we have to have a look at the last card, which is the Queen of Diamonds. So from here, from this pile which is having 13 cards, we're going to ask our spectator to choose any card. So let's suppose for our trick, our spectator card would be this one, which is 8 of Diamonds. So I'm going to place it on the top, and I'm going to take this pile and just shuffle it to make sure I'm not having a look at the last card. Okay, then I'm going to place this pile over here, and the pile which last card you have seen, you are going to place it at the last, which is the Queen of Diamonds. I'm going to place it at the top. Now you can ask your spectator to shuffle, but you have to make sure that he or she is shuffling from the bottom. You have to take any cards from the bottom and place it on the top, and you can do as many times as you like. So I'll just do it 3 times here for right now. Then you are going to do you have to place this card in 4 piles. Now you have to look for the card you have had a look at, which was our Queen of Diamonds. So we'll just have a look here. Where is the Queen of Diamonds? So we are having Joker here as well, because it isn't like necessary you can have Jokers in this trick. You can have any random card. So here we are having our Queen of Diamonds, and the thing is that your spectator's card, which was 8 of Diamond, would be one place behind your card, which you have had a look at. So here we're having our card, and here is the spectator's card, which is 1 card behind. Okay, so now we are going to place this pile at the bottom and place all the rest of the piles on the top of them, and I'm going to split these cards in 2 piles. Now we are not having our spectator's card. Like, we don't know that you, while doing this trick, you wouldn't know what your spectator's card is, but you would know that what the 7th card, the last card you have the look at, was that Queen of Diamonds. You know where it is. So here we are not having our Queen of Diamonds, and where we will be having our Queen of Diamond, we will be having our spectator's card there as well. So we are not having Queen of Diamonds here, and obviously we are not having 8 of Diamond here as well. So we are going to keep this at a side, and we are going to do our rest of the trick from this pile, and we have to have a look at this. And here we are having our card here, Queen of Diamonds, and this is our spectator's card. So what you are going to do, like, this Queen of Diamond could be here as well, or anywhere in the between, it doesn't matter. But what you're going to do, you have to take any card from here and place it after your card. Okay, so this was our card, and we have to place any card you can take here. Like, I can take this and place it over here. Okay, then you are going to split this again into then I'm going to have a look at these as well. So like where your card would be, which was our queen of diamonds, you're going to take that pile and you're going to keep the other pile at a side, sorry. Okay, and now what you're going to do, you have to place one card downside and one card upside. Let me just show you. You have to place it down, face down, and one face up. Face down and face up, face down and face up and face down. So now what you have to do, like you are not having your card which was queen of diamond in the face up, so you have, which is of course in the face down, I guess. Yes, here it is. So you have to remove the face down cards. Okay, then you have removed the face down card, and then you are going to split it again, like left, right and left. You're going to remove the right one, and then you are going to do it again, left and right, and here is your spectator's card. You're going to remove the right one. Sorry, here is your spectator's card. Of course it would be on the right, and you're going to remove this one. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Make sure to like and share.